Hello everyone, in today's lessons we are going to talk about the gap fill strategy, which focus on how round numbers act in psychological support and resistance levels in the market. This is a simple but very effective concept that many professional traders use on daily sessions. Round numbers like this 100, 1 200, 1 300, like I'm showing for you right here on these lines, not just random figures. There are psychological levels where main trader place buy or sell order. It's like a zone. Okay, if you just notice, these lines are in the support and almost the resistance zone. If you just compare with the other pairs, you can open trades on this one automatically, and that's it. All right. Watch how price behaves in its approach at levels. Wait for the market's reaction. All right. Yeah, that will take a long time to get in this price, but that's a good one to use. If the price rejects the level with long wicks or small candles buddies, that's a sign of resistance or support holding. Look at that example here. All right. If the price break through decisively, it shows strength and the positive direction. Okay. So if I just enter in the direction of the reaction on this one, maybe that's try to do this and support resistance to like this. Okay. If the level breaks, trade in breakout direction. If the level rejects price, trade in the opposite direction. All right, that's clear for you right here. Okay, because if you just compare, that is like a zone. All right, the limit for that is the support line. That's a downtrend, and that will be the limit. Okay, and that is for sure the candles are steering for the zone. So that is the good thing for that.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Okay. So just think about it. Just imagine it. Prices climb toward to 300, that is total this round number. A rejection candles forms with a long upper wick. Okay, like this. That's our signal. We enter put option, expecting short reaction downward. But in this point right here, 110. In 106 or 103, all right, we can expect an upward. Okay, right here it's the downward. Just compare that. Okay, so that is the limit from my resistance line, and that's for my support line. 100 for around 104 and 106 is that's the limit, and that's right now. On the other hand, if the price break through this point when just raise line with a strong bullish candle, you enter the call option or the down position right in the breakout. Okay, so just pay attention when you got this opportunity right here. That is very clear. All right, you can make this line right here, another one, and another one right here. We have 3 zones for us. All right, and you just know, oh my gosh, we got a support line here, we got another one, that's the limit.
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
That operation will try to take this right now. Okay, we have another right here. Always try to get 0 numbers. Okay, so identifying round numbers, that is good. Observe price behavior near then. All right, so with that you need to use the candlesticks, indicators, the down and the trends. All right, confirm the rejection or breakout, and in the direction. The gap fill strategy is all about understanding by psychology in the market, guys. Round numbers attract attention. By respecting them, we can catch a powerful reaction. All right, have a good one. See you. Write in the opinion in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and see you guys. Bye bye.